Withdrawing money from your Xbox account after a review can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Sign into your Xbox account. Begin by signing into your Xbox account on your console through the Xbox website. Make sure you use the account that has the funds you want to withdraw. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once signed in, go to the account settings. This can usually be found in the menu under your profile by selecting settings from the main dashboard. Step 3. Access payment and billing. In the account settings, look for the payment and billing section. This is where you can manage your payment methods and view your account balance. Step 4. Request withdrawal. Find the option to withdraw funds. Depending on the platform, this may be labeled as withdraw money or transfer funds. Follow the prompts to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Step 5. Confirm and complete the process. Review the withdrawal details and confirm your request. You may need to provide additional verification, such as a security code sent to your email or phone. Once confirmed, your request will be processed. After completing these steps, keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your withdrawal status. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Xbox support for assistance.